Number 5 is High Accuracy 3D Printer. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line 3D printer to boost your business to the next level, the number 4 pick is the High Accuracy 3D Printer. This game-changer machine offers unparalleled precision and durability for high-intensity printing needs. One of the standout features of the High Accuracy 3D Printer is its grain hotbed design, which ensures strong bonding and easy mold taking without any warping. This means you can print confidently, knowing your finished products will always be flawless. The printer also features high-strength materials built to last, so you can keep printing without worrying about wear and tear affecting the quality of your prints. The stable speed of the High Accuracy 3D Printer ensures consistent results over long periods. Perhaps most impressive, the High Accuracy 3D Printer provides 0.1 mm high accuracy printing, resulting in incredibly smooth surfaces, vivid details, and minor errors in the finished product. And this machine is as versatile as precise, with a 3.5 LED color display on the control panel and support for various consumables, including PLA, ABS, and wood. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for business. If you like any of these best 3D printers, check out the link in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.